Let's dig into our brand new I Want It All Spring Coffee Bundle. This is now available at the Not Too Shabby shop. What comes in your bundle, you'll get a 6x6 paper pad. This is called Spring Coffee. The colors in here are super cute, ready for spring. The images in here are so cute. We've got adorable coffee cups, all decorated for spring and Easter. We've got beautiful patterns and glitter. Love this blue, it's gorgeous. There's some little peeps in the background on that sheet of paper. It's so cute. I'm going to share the ephemera with you. I'll have a photo of everything that's in this pack here. Really super cute, and I'll share the ephemera that's on my card. You'll also get a 4x6 stamp set. This is called Spring Coffee. You get a to-go cup bottom, and then you stamp the little heads on top of the cup and create cute little to-go characters. And we've got great sentiments that are going to be great for your paper and ephemera. Hope you brought coffee. Happy Easter. Be you. My treat for you. Be kind. Warm spring wishes. Somebody needs coffee. Smile. And you're the best part of every day. So really cute stamp set. This is the card I created using that stamp set. It turned out super cute. I just had a ball coloring this in. I didn't need to mask anything. You just line up the two lines. And then on the background here, I used the jelly bean stamp that comes in the set. And I stamped it with green and then colored with my Copic markers. Used the glitter paper from the paper pad and stamped out Somebody Needs Coffee. Also used the beautiful enamel dots that you'll get in your bundle. There is the option to add the coordinating die. You'll see a little drop-down menu where you can add the die, yes or no. The die does cut out all the sentiments, the characters, the to-go cup, even the little jelly bean. You're also going to get one of Stacy's stencils. This is called Whimsy Bloom. It's a great floral background. It's a 6x6 stencil. And I've included a set of sponge daubers so you can do some detailed work with your stencil. This you just little dab on. You don't do like a rotating motion. You're just going to dab on your ink where you want maybe some extra ink like I did for the centers on the flowers, or maybe you want to add some different colors kind of like you see here in the example. So here's the card that I did using the stencil, 2 pieces of ephemera. The sentiment is popped up, and that was cut out with the coordinating die. And then I used a piece of the paper and I kind of inked the edges with some distress ink. Let's take a look at the sparkling enamel dots. You can also earn an extra package if you spend over $60. You'll get one of these as a free gift with your order. So let's take a look at the mini slimline cards that I created using the paper and the ephemera and the sentiments from the stamp set. I also used the glitter enamel dots on all 4 cards. So I popped up the images. What's really fun is you can put a little pop dot in the center of your butterflies and kind of pinch them, and then they kind of look 3D. Look really cute on your card. And here's the second one. That one says Happy Easter. I just thought these were really cute. I thought these little bunny butts were really cute as a trio on my card. And then I did that with the butterfly. And card number 3. This one says Warm Spring Wishes. Really cute. I love that little image there with the little bunny cookie sticking out. And card number 4. This one says Somebody Needs Coffee. And I used the green enamel dots on that one. My husband is packing up all the kits tonight. They're going to be in this very heavy duty plastic, so you could store this away and keep that for a long time. It's nice and heavy. and I put a sticker on the back and then a little sticker to close it up. So really cute. It'll even make a great gift if you want to give this away as a present. You'll see some inspiration. You'll see some inspiration from Teresa, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa on YouTube. She'll be making some cards with this kit as well. I'll have all the links in the description box for you where you can find the bundle. And I did do a big restock. I restocked a bunch of paper pads, and I also restocked the coffee latte art bundle. So that's back in stock. I know a lot of you have been waiting for that. You can now get that as well. And that bundle will also be packaged in the nice heavy-duty plastic as well. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the new release. And I will see you real soon. I'll be doing more projects using this bundle, and I can't wait to share them, and I can't wait to see what you create with yours. Hashtag me at Not2ShabbyShop so I can find your creations. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.